Oh, I can't. It doesn't make sense.
Stop!
You're happy.
I always thought I could.
That was disgusting.
Jordy back.
I don't care. You know what I'll do to Why? I don't care.
What I'm doing, I'm not even actually posting anything. I'm not actually posting anything.
Like your shoes. I was gonna say like your glasses, but I said break your shoes.
Jordy, I swear to God, they're gonna come over here and fucking kill you.
What the fuck are you doing, Darius? You better not be recording another live.
You've been taking a video for like 15 minutes. What have you been
You were
doing?
this guy recorded when we went to play basketball with Raul. He recorded the whole thing, and Raul was probably pissed because he didn't want it up.
I don't care. I don't care what Raul thinks.
I just sat there after like,
Raul's house tomorrow.
Huh?
Go to Raul's house tomorrow.
I know going there.
Are you going? I can't.
I can't go with you if I wanted to.
I can't go. I have a meet tomorrow.
Fucking clog the toilet.
Are you in track or something?
Yeah, track and field. We're taking on Glencoe for the last
I
time.
didn't know you were in track. Let's go Josiah.
You know, you almost
No!
wrote that with yourself. I wasn't
I didn't take anything for it.
Like you special.
Got Jonathan on camera.
I was trying to stop my dog Corbin.
I was just taking away from changes and maxed it off the ground.
Drink it from our face. No. Fine. Jordy.
Okay. Oh my god.
Snap my phone.
One more.
wait.